this video, we're going to discuss about the classification of plants in taxonomy and systematic botany, in plant morphology and taxonomy of angiosperm. Classification of plants. So why we should classify? For easy identification. So we need to classify the plants. Classification is essential to biology because there is a vast diversity of organisms to sort out and compare. So there is a vast number of organisms. For this you have to sort out, you have to classify and you have to read. And you have to compare it. For this purpose you are classifying. Unless they are organized into manageable categories, it will be difficult for identification. So unless you are not organizing in a particular categories, it is difficult to identify. For example, a person coming to the school and asking a particular boy named Venkatesh, simply the office attendant will be difficult to find out. If the person asks the Venkatesh from LKG or Venkatesh from 5th standard, like that means it is easy to identify the person by the attender, school attender. Okay. So for that purpose we need to classify. It's the same way we need to identify and classify the plants also. Biological classification or the invention of biologists based upon the best evidence available. So how the classification has been done in biological means based on the evidences they have classified. The scientific basis for cataloging and retrieving the information about the tremendous diversity of flora is known as classification. So based on the scientific, you are cataloging it and you are getting the information and store it in while that you can able to diverse the organism also. So that is called classification. Classification paves the way for arrangement of organism into groups on the basis of the similarities, dissimilarities and relationships. So classification, that is while arranging the organisms, how you are arranging, how you are classifying based on the similarities between the organism, dissimilarities between the organisms and the relationship between the organisms. So based on this you are classifying. The purpose of classification is to provide a systematic arrangement expressing the relationship between the organism. So it is a systematically you are arranging it and you are expressing, that is, and you are showing the relationship between the organisms. Taxonomist has assigned a method of classifying organisms which are called ranks. So in taxonomy you have rank system. Okay. These taxonomic ranks are hierarchical, which we have seen in that is kingdom, division, class, order, family, genus, species, like this. This is the hierarchical we have discussed in the earlier class. So these taxonomical ranks are hierarchical. The scheme of classification has to be flexible, allowing newly discovered living organisms to be added where they fit best. So that is the rank, in which rank they can be flexibly discovered, and the newly organism where to be fit there. That can be easily identified using this taxonomical hierarchy. So Botanical Survey of India. On 13th February 1890, a survey was formally constituted and designated as Botanical Survey of India, BSI. After the independence, the need was felt for a more comprehensive documentation of the country's plant resources in the boost of economy. Padma Shri Dr. E.K. Janaki Ammal was appointed as the officer on special duty on 14th October 1952. Then recognition plan was finally approved by the Government of India on 29th March 1954 with Calcutta as the headquarters of BSI. Jammu Tawi Botanical Garden have been named after Dr. E.K. Janaki Ammal. So he is the person who is called G.K. Janaki Ammal. Okay. Need for classification. Understanding the classification of organisms can give an insight into the other fields and has significant practical value. Why we are need to classify? It is easily to identify their values and what are the fields or mode. For example, it is a medicinal plant. Okay, it is for practical value we have to classify it. Classification help us to know about different taxa, their phylogenetic relationship and exact position. So classification, that is in different taxa, phylogenetic relationship has to be studied and the exact position is also. And it helps to train the students of plant sciences with regard to the diversity of organism and the relationship with other biological branches. So that is the diversity of organism and other biological branches having relationship, and it is easy for the student to study these with the help of this classification. Hope you understand the topic. If you have any doubts, post your doubts in the comment box. I had given the link of Tamil video in description box. You can go and watch it. Give a thumbs up, share and subscribe to Science Easy Tech channel.